everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing awesome and creating lots and lots of awesome memories. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to share really interesting content for girls. Why? Because I am going to share my personal favorite makeup products, and they are my some of them are my recent purchase. So I thought of really sharing my experience with those products with you guys. So let's start. So guys, the first product I wanted to share with you is Laura Mercier highlighting powder. This is really a good product, guys. I got this from Costco wholesale, and they had really a good deal on this product. I just paid for this about, I think, $19 I paid, and I thought it's really a good deal. Why? Because in other stores and online you're getting it for $45, and I got this for $19. Okay, that was a pretty good deal. $15 or $19, I really forgot, but yeah, it was a great deal, guys. So the shade that I have is Inspiration. I hope you can see it's Inspiration. I am also going to mention this in my description box. So this is how it looks. I hope it's visible, guys. Yeah, and it has a pretty good coverage. Like, if you want absolutely a no makeup look, then this is the product. And what actually got me to buy this product was its cost, obviously, because online it was $45, and of course I would not buy a $45 highlighting powder, but in Costco, when I saw the price was really good, so I thought, why not, let's try this. And I am a very fussy person when it comes to makeup, guys, so yeah. So let's try this. I will show you guys the shade. Okay, I'm just going to apply this here. I hope you guys will be able to see it. Can you see, guys? I hope it's visible. Can you can you see the shine, the coverage it gives? Yeah. Okay, so let me apply a bit on my cheek so that you guys can see the effect. Yeah, I will just take a little bit. I'll just rub it on my hand and I apply it here. Just one side I'm applying as of now. Can you see the shine, guys? Can you see the shine, guys? It's really good, and it just gives a no makeup look. I am in love with this product because I do not apply too much makeup, but something which gives a shine to my skin, I mean, why not, right? So yeah, that is that. I am going to mention this on my description box, guys. It's the shade name is Inspiration. Do not forget to check your Costco website, and if you can drop into any of the Costco store, it will be great. I hope they are still available. So yes, this is one. And the second one that I'm going to show you guys, I had I talked about this product. It's a NARS eyeshadow, guys. I had talked about this product in one of my old videos, but I think the shade wasn't clear. Someone had commented that the shade wasn't clear, so I am going to apply this again. Okay, so the shade name is Point Noir, guys. Again, this is a Costco purchase, and I am really tempted to, all the time I'm very tempted to see all their cosmetic offers that they have on Costco website, because they really offer good deals, guys. This I had got just for $9.95 or $10 or something. Again, yeah, this is Point Noir NARS eyeshadow. I hope it's visible. Again, I'm going to mention this in the description box. This is the shade, guys. I hope it's visible now. Oh, I can see how my illuminating powder, highlighting powder, it's really visible. Laura Mercier. I really like it. Anyways, let's come to this product now. This is NARS Point Noir eyeshadow. Mm-hmm. Okay, now let me apply this again for you guys. I will first apply it here on my hand. I hope it will be visible. This is really good if you want a smoky look, guys. Yeah, can you see that? This is the shade I'm talking about. Can you see, guys? This is the shade. I really like it. For an evening party makeup, this is amazing. I hope it's visible. Okay, now the next thing I wanted to show you guys is this lipstick. It's Wet n Wild lipstick. And you know how much I got it for? It was just $2.29, like $3. I mean, almost $3. So I got it from Amazon and it was a very good deal. Why I like this lipstick is it gives a nude shade. Yeah. Okay, now let's show you guys how it looks. Can you see the shade, guys? I hope it's visible. It is a lovely, lovely shade, guys. I mean, you can't really go wrong with this shade. It's a very, very beautiful shade. I am in love with this shade. Can you see? It just gives a nude look, and I love nude lipsticks because I personally do not like to apply lipstick, so this is the shade for me. So yes, Wet n Wild. Oh, I just realized I forgot to mention the shade name. It's Clothes Off. The shade name is Clothes Off. I don't know, I think it was written in the packet, but anyways, this is Clothes Off. It's a nude shade. Okay guys, now the next thing I wanted to share with you was this particular thing, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay, now this is a concealer, but I use it as a contouring product because I mean, it's little creamy. The texture is creamy. After I apply this, I do apply my Hoola bronzer also, which is a powdery texture, but this gives a great contour, guys, trust me. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. The tip, can you see? It's like a pen, guys, and now I'm going to apply it. Okay, let's apply. Blend, blend and blend. You can also use your I forgot to take my other blending brush, but this is also good enough. Blend, blend and blend. Can you see? I think it's already contoured and I just love it. I'm going to do that as well. I really have chubby cheeks, guys, so I am obsessed. I need to get my face contoured. Makeup for me is just about contouring. I am really fascinated with people, those who have like that chiseled feature, you know. But never mind, I'm grateful for what I have. Okay, I think it's almost done. Can you see? I think it did a good job. Yeah, it has contoured pretty well. Trust me guys, I just love this, and I saw somebody's vlogger using this particular shade. I think yeah, she showed in one of her makeup tutorial only, and since then I am just obsessing over this product. You need to try this to contour. And the shade name is Beautiful Bronze. LA Pro Conceal. The shade is Beautiful Bronze, guys. Okay, so the next product I am going to share with you guys, it's L'Oreal Paris LV Dream Length. This is a really good product, guys. If you are not able to go for a haircut and you want a very smooth texture, I think this does a good job. It's pretty good. You can find it any of your nearby store like Target or any of those pharmacies. You can find them. I got it from Amazon, and the price is also really good. I think it cost me about $5. Yeah, it's really cheap. So yeah, it's no haircut cream, and after you wash your hair, you apply conditioner, and when your hair is wet, you can just take a little bit and apply in the ends of your hair. It really does a good job. So yes, this is that. And the last product I want to share with you is this is Kate Von D lipstick. Again, I got it from Sephora, guys. It's a nude shade. It's really nice shade, and why I like this is because it doesn't have any shine and it gives a matte look. It's really nice. I'm going to show you the shade, guys. This is how it looks. Can you see? It's a pinkish nudish shade. It's lovely. And I got it from Sephora. This is the mini size. You can also get the bigger one if you like the mini size. I think I paid just $10 for it. It was a good deal. This is really nice. But anyways, these days hardly we can apply lipsticks. You know why? Because we are always wearing our masks, and I mean there's no use of wearing lipstick. But I put them on when I shoot my videos for you guys. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know how did you like this video. And those who are watching for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Bye for now, guys, and stay safe.